How to connect your wired headphones or earbuds to the MacBook Neo. Well, fortunately, Apple didn't delete the 3.5mm audio jack from this computer. If you turn it on the left side, right over here, this is where your audio jack is located. So take and connect. Once you have pushed it on the MacBook screen, you may get a message telling you if you want to accept to connect these earbuds or headphones. You need to press connect. If you don't get the message, don't worry, it doesn't mean it will not work. If we're gonna click on the top right corner, this icon, you're gonna notice that where it says sound, you're gonna get a headphone logo. It means that the sound is now coming out of your earbuds or headphones, and you can change it. If you want to switch back to the internal speakers of your Mac, click the arrow. And now you're going to select instead MacBook Neo speakers, and the sound will switch from here to there. And that's how you can switch between all the different ways to output the sound. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.